All right, well, here's the car. I could not find his driver's license or his wallet in here. All the airbags deployed. He hit so hard, he buckled the roof. This is the front bumper and stuff. We put back in there. There's a lot of trash in the car. I'm going to get the license plate off the car as well, so that way I can communicate with Progressive and find out what they want to do with it. So, this is all Jason's stuff, his effects that he had. All the trash and debris from where they picked up off the roadway. That's it.